Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Today I will show you how to use my crispy quinoa to make these peanut butter crispy bites. First, I will briefly show you how to make the crispy quinoa. I will link a more detailed video on making this crispy quinoa at the end for your reference. Cook the quinoa with 2/3 cup of water in a pot until the water boils. Then cover with a lid and simmer the quinoa for 15 minutes. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon oil to the cooked quinoa. Over a stove on medium heat, spread the quinoa into a thin layer in a non-stick frying pan. I separate the quinoa from each other as much as I can. I then flip the quinoa every 5 minutes or so because I want all sides of the quinoa to get toasted. It takes about 4 to 5 times of flipping to see the quinoa becoming loose and golden brown like this. Now you will need 1 cup of crispy quinoa to make these peanut butter crispy bites, so you will need to double my crispy quinoa recipe. In a small non-stick frying pan, combine 5 tablespoons of maple syrup and 5 tablespoons of peanut butter on a low heat and slowly mix them together until smooth. Then combine with 1 cup of crispy quinoa in a small bowl until they are well mixed. Pour the quinoa peanut butter mixture into a small parchment paper-lined Pyrex container. Press it down firmly with a spatula, then cut into 12 small pieces. Eat them as a quick grab-and-go breakfast bites or anytime snack. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Happy eating and see you next time.